Hi there, and welcome to this video all about yoga and weight loss. Today, we're going to be exploring the connection between yoga and weight loss, and why incorporating yoga into your fitness routine can be so effective. First off, let's talk about why yoga is such a great tool for weight loss. Yoga is much more than just stretching and breathing. It can improve your flexibility, balance, and muscle strength, all while reducing stress and improving mental health. Plus, certain types of yoga can also increase your metabolism and burn calories, helping you reach your weight loss goals. Now, let's dive into the different types of yoga that can help with weight loss. First, we have Vinyasa Yoga. Vinyasa Yoga is a dynamic and flowing style of yoga that connects movement with breath. Not only will this type of yoga get your heart rate up and help you burn calories, but it can also help tone and strengthen your muscles. Next, we have Power Yoga. This type of yoga is a high-intensity, fast-paced practice that incorporates strength training and cardio elements. Power yoga can be a great way to boost your metabolism and burn fat. Finally, there's Hot Yoga. As the name suggests, hot yoga is practiced in a heated room, which can help you sweat out toxins and increase calorie burn. This type of yoga can also help increase flexibility, as the heat makes your muscles more pliable. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're looking to get in shape, relieve stress, or just try something new, yoga can be an amazing tool for weight loss. Just remember to find the right style of yoga for you, and don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone. Let's talk about how to get started on your own yoga practice. First off, it's important to find a beginner-friendly class or teacher. If you're new to yoga, it's easy to get discouraged if the pace or intensity of the class is too high. Look for a class specifically marketed as beginner-friendly, or ask the teacher if they have experience working with new students. Next, start slowly and build up gradually. If you're just starting out, it's best to start with a shorter practice and increase the length and difficulty as you become more comfortable. It's also important to set realistic goals for your yoga practice. Whether you're looking to lose weight or simply improve your overall fitness, make sure your goals are achievable and measurable. Finally, don't forget to incorporate other forms of physical activity into your routine. Yoga is a great tool for weight loss, but it's not the only thing you need to do. Make sure you're also eating a healthy diet and incorporating other forms of exercise, such as cardio or strength training. Now, let's go over a beginner's yoga practice that you can use to get started on your weight loss journey. Start with a warm-up, including cat-cow and downward-facing dog poses. Then, move into a series of sun salutations to get your heart rate up and warm up your muscles. Next, work on standing poses like Warrior I and Warrior II, which can help tone and strengthen your legs and core. After that, try some balancing poses like Tree Pose and Half Moon Pose, which can help improve your balance and focus. Finally, cool down with Child's Pose and Savasana, which can help stretch out your muscles and calm your mind. Voiceover, and there you have it, folks. With these tips and a beginner's yoga practice, you're on your way to reaching your weight loss goals. Remember, yoga is about finding what works for you, so don't be afraid to experiment and make changes to your practice as needed.